Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe. We are making cauliflower fried rice without any use of rice. Let's see how to make it. Chinese cuisine uses a lot of carbohydrates in general. So in fried rice, the main carbohydrate is rice. Today, I'm going to use cauliflower to make that rice. I'm going to use a food processor today to process the cauliflower rice. I'm using a whole head of cauliflower today. I'm going to cut it down into smaller florets. With the stalk, I'm just going to get rid of all of these leaves. And now I'm going to just cut it into half. The beauty of a food processor is that it will never turn your food into a puree form, which mostly happens in a mixer. In case you don't have a food processor like this, you can also grate the cauliflower using a small grater which you have at home. Now let's start preparing our fried rice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 whole chili which is finely chopped. Smells so good right now. It's very important to cook all the ingredients on really high flame to get that nice smoky flavor that Chinese food usually has. Now I'm going to add in spring onion whites, some finely chopped French beans and red carrots that have been finely chopped. Toss it around quickly. We're looking to lightly cook the vegetables, but we don't want them to turn soft. Now to this, I'm going to add some green garlic chives. If they are not in season, you can totally skip them. Around 1 tablespoon and a handful of spring onion greens. Now to this, I'm going to add in our cauliflower rice. I'm going to quickly toss this around. The cauliflower will start leaving out a little bit of moisture and it will turn slightly translucent when it's ready. Keep tossing the rice around. You'll notice a lot of steam coming out. This is all the moisture coming out from the cauliflower. Keep tossing this around and you will notice that the veggies have started catching a little bit of color. Once that happens, you can add in salt. The reason that we add salt in the end is to make sure that we are not drawing out too much moisture from our vegetables and the cauliflower as well. After adding salt, you will notice that the color of the cauliflower starts turning translucent. I have 1 teaspoon of vinegar here, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of mushroom sauce. This is optional. If you consume mushrooms, you can definitely use this. Now for the final toss. Toss it till all the sauces are mixed in well and your cauliflower rice is ready to serve. Unlike regular fried rice, you don't need to prepare rice a day in advance to make fried rice out of it. It's super easy to make, very quick, and it turns out delicious as well. Let me know when you try this recipe out. I'm Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.